Here we have a 70-plate Land Rover Defender First Edition. Now this vehicle comes with over £3,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website, but they include the 22-inch alloy wheels. We also have the air suspension so the vehicle can raise or lower. We're currently on the highest setting, the off-road setting, but it can get lowered much further down. Right to the front end, you'll find we have the LED headlights, we have the urban across the front bonnet, as this vehicle has the full urban body kit, including the light bar just up top. We have the utility style grid on the bonnet, along with the 110 decals. Round to the passenger side, you'll find we have the side steps along the bottom, colour-coded door handles, black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We have the black roof rails up top, along with the panoramic glass sunroof, which is currently open. We have the LED light bar, shark fin antennae, and also the gloss black rear spoiler. We have 360-degree cameras. We also have the urban spare wheel cover just there. We have the electric tow bar. Back around to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the interior then. So inside of here you find we have the 7 seats. We have the 3 at the middle row, 2 at the back and 2 at the front. There is a look at the back seat, sorry. We have the climate control down there for the rear passengers. We also have the brush metal door handles, nice utility style on the doors, along with the electric windows. If we take a look now at the front, again we've got the leather interior. Both the front seats are electrically adjustable and they're also both heated. We have the memory functions as well. Electric mirrors and electric windows with Charlock for the rear. Premium Meridian sound system. We have electrically adjustable multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated. If we take a seat inside, you find we have the digital dashboard in front of us. If we just close the door, we also have the main infotainment screen just there. We have the automatic lights, the automatic wipers just on that stalk there. We have the lane keeping assist, we have the main infotainment screen in the centre. If that's flickering, then that's just the camera, it's not flickering in real life. So we have the sat nav just here, we also have the Bluetooth audio. We have the media for the DAB radio, again with the Bluetooth just there. If we go onto the home, you can see we have plenty of options which we can go through just here. So we have the heated seats with the 4x4 information. As you can see just there, if you press the start button, turn the vehicle on, we have all the off-road information just there, along with the weight sensing as well. But if we go back onto the main menu, you can see we have all these options. So we have the electric tow bar, the vehicle dimensions just there. If you scroll back down, you'll find we have the media as well. Put the car into reverse, you find we have the reversing camera, which we can flick through all the cameras just like so. We have a 3D view where we can scroll through each individual camera. We also have the off-road camera, we have the tow bar camera as well, so if you press there, you can see we have the tow bar camera. Put the car back into park low. Down here you find again the climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning. We also have the different drive modes, so if you press this button, you can see we have the different drive modes, which we can scroll through just like so. But let's just keep it into comfort though. We have the air suspension, so if we press this button, then it will lower the vehicle. Press it again and it will lower even further. But we also have the USB ports, 12-volt connectivity, nice utility feel. We have the storage just underneath there. Cup holders, leather armrests, which can be opened up for more storage. We also have the fridge just inside of there, which is a really nice touch. Again, plenty of storage. We have the Defender written just there. We have the camera for the rear view mirror, or you can just go back to the standard mirror just like so. It flicks on and off like that. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.